Indus Waters Treaty will never be restored. Amit Shah says Pakistan will be starved. Union Home Minister Amit Shah affirmed that the Indus Waters Treaty with Pakistan will never be restored as the neighbouring country violated the terms of the agreement and that Islamabad will be starved of water that it had been getting unjustifiably. In an interview with the Times of India, Shah said, "No, it will never be restored. International treaties can't be annulled unilaterally, but we had the right to put it in abeyance, which we have done." The treaty preamble mentions that it was for peace and progress of the two countries, but once that has been violated, there is nothing left to protect. The Indus Waters Treaty was suspended with immediate effect after India-Pakistan ties deteriorated sharply following the April 22 Pahalgam terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir, as India took a series of diplomatic decisions such as expelling Pakistani nationals. We will use water that rightfully belongs to India. We will take the water that was flowing to Pakistan to Rajasthan by constructing a canal. Pakistan will be starved of water that it has been getting unjustifiably, Shah further said. Nanan condemning the Pahalgam attack, Shah called it a deliberate attempt to sabotage peace in Kashmir, to stop rising tourism and distract Kashmiri youth. He said the Kashmir Valley had never shown such solidarity with India before. We will not hesitate in acting against whatever Pakistan chooses to do, without any delay, he said, adding that tourists have resumed their travels to Kashmir. He also said Pakistan attacked civilian locations in India, but India gave a befitting reply by damaging their air bases, which prompted them to seek a suspension in hostilities. In line with the PM's public declaration to punish terrorists responsible for the Pahalgam attack, we launched limited strikes on terror launchpads and made it very clear that was a targeted strike. Pakistan treated our strike on terrorists as an attack on its territory, ending the distinction, he told Toy. He also hit out at Congress for its relentless criticism of Operation Sindoor, saying, "I want to ask Congress, what used to happen during their time? How can Congress question us on the issue of terrorism? It used to do nothing except change a minister. Of all political parties, Congress certainly has no right to criticize us." Nanan meanwhile, Andhra Pradesh Minister Nara Lokesh echoed Shah's remarks and said Prime Minister Modi sent a strong message that anybody who attacks India will not be let off easily. Swipe left for next video. Speaking to CNN News 18, Lokesh said, PM Modi has given a befitting reply to Pakistan, that as a nation, we will not let them go free. It is an important message. As an ally of the NDA, we have always stood with the PM on this issue. Lokesh also addressed the loss of one of the Jawans from Andhra Pradesh. The parents of Jawan Murali Naik told me they didn't want their son to be a Jawan as he was their only child. The son replied, "The entire country will come if I lay down my life." And the father turned to me and said, "The entire country has come for him." Latest blogs.